iced pumpkin spice latte, please. I got this hat. Jellycat inspired fall nails.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another preparing for fall day in my life. I am wearing my cute new little happy camper set that they sent over, and I'm so excited about it. I feel like it's perfect for fall, and it is really stinking cute. I also got the little pants that come with it, and then I'm also wearing my Uggs. I'm filming this video a little backwards just because I had my brother visiting, so I filmed things on different days. So if you see a lot of outfit changes and day changes, that's why, but I still wanted to film the most that I can when he was over. Dunkin already came out with their fall drinks, and I am so excited about it. I think later in this video I talk about how they're coming out with their fall drinks, but that was because that was a few days ago. So I think that the way to start this video is to go try a little pumpkin spice latte. I already decorated my apartment for fall, but after I get my pumpkin spice latte, then I'm gonna come home, put on a very fall inspired outfit to decorate in, and then we are going to decorate my apartment together, and I'm so excited. Here's a little set as like a better visual. I think it's really cute, and I love how the pants are bootleg pants. This video isn't sponsored, I just really like it, and I'm so grateful that they sent it to me. Let's go get our coffee now. I'm so excited. I really like the pumpkin spice latte iced from Dunkin, but I might also want to get the pumpkin patch loud latte. I don't know yet. I guess we'll decide when we're there. Hi, can I do an iced pumpkin spice latte, please?
What size?
I'll do small.
All right. Long signature pumpkin latte. Anything else?
Medium iced black coffee.
Medium iced black coffee.
Yeah. And then can I do one pumpkin donut, please? And that'll be it.
All right. It's gonna be $11.79. So you should pull forward. Thank you.
Thank you. I really need to go upstairs and fix my hair. It looks horrible, but I got my iced pumpkin spice latte. It smells so good. We're going to do a little taste test. So excited that pumpkin's back. Let's give her a try. It's so good. Yes. I got my boyfriend a pumpkin donut, and then I also got him a iced black coffee because that's what he likes. Now I'm going to go upstairs and fix my hair, put on a cute little outfit, and start decorating for fall. I just threw on my little outfit for the day. I feel like this is very fall coated and very cozy. The shirt is from TikTok Shop. The leggings are from Aritzia. I'm wearing my little Uggs, and I'm also wearing a ghost clip that my friend Riley got me, and I think this is very cute. Now I'm going to do some fall decorating. I already have a fall decorating video up, but I feel like it's just the right thing to include it in this video as well. So we're going to put a little bit of fall decorating into this video to really get into that fall spirit.
Another night and I'm just walking, city lights and people talking. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I wonder if you got that feeling, staring at your bedroom ceiling. To think about me the way I think about you. Could you tell me, should I let you go? Yeah, I gotta know, yeah, I gotta know if I'm gonna be yours. So don't you keep me waiting. Yeah, I have to know, yeah, I have to know if you wanna be mine. 'Cause this is so frustrating. Tell me now, don't keep me waiting. Hey, at least 4 walls get so depressing. Fuck me and my second guessing, reading every text you
I just finished decorating. I think it turned out so good. If you want to see like a full apartment tour, make sure to go watch my decorating for fall video because I did the whole tour in that video. But now I actually have some things I do want to look for in the stores now that I can see the vision very well. So I think my friend is going to come pick me up, and we're going to go to all the stores and do some fall decor shopping. It's actually the next day. I ended up not going fall shopping yesterday because I'm going to do both fall shopping for clothing and for decor today. I'm wearing my little Liaison the Label sweatshirt. I feel like it's so cute and really gives off those fall vibes. But because it's hot in Florida, I'm also wearing a fall Halloween themed shirt underneath it. My brother's actually coming into town today, and I'm picking him up at the Jacksonville Mall, which me and my friend Riley went to recently. So we figured we'd just go back there, have a little fun day of shopping, go to Anthropologie, Aritzia, American Eagle, Hollister Garage, all of those stores. I want to go to Sephora, probably Target because there's one in that town center, and my brother's going to meet us there. So with all of that, I have to quickly get gas and then we are going to go pick up Riley and go to the mall. I also just realized that pumpkin comes out at Dunkin tomorrow, and usually Dunkin gets their fall drinks like pumpkin early. So I'm also going to stop at Dunkin and see if we can get a pumpkin drink. And then I'll obviously do a fall taste test of all the drinks as well, but probably in a different video. Here's my little outfit. I have my cute little bag to go with it from Urban Outfitters, and we're gonna go pick up Riley and go to the mall. Recording. We just picked my brother up. He's pumping the gas. He was 4 hours late. No, he's actually right on time. We need to lower this a little. This is Riley. I don't think she's been on my YouTube. Everyone, this is my debut. We have a haul. Joe needs help with the gas.
No gas came out whatsoever. We've been here for 5 minutes.
Starting off, I got this hat. It says road trip. Got this really cute pumpkin keychain thing. These little from Ari. They're really cute.
Wait, I'm wearing my outfit.
Oh yeah. And from Maritza, I got the brown butter pants leggings. So I got the matching top because trusting Riley and she said it was good. And then I also got these, which is the same leggings but in like a maroon color. And that's all I got today.
Well, on my haul, I got a few things. Then I got this from Garage, and I got matching shorts. Got this silk button up Maritza. I got shorts.
Did pretty good today. I got tired of driving and Riley's better driving, so she's gonna drive.
Wait, 2 o'clock. Alright, everyone. So I'll see you later.
See you when I go home. It's actually now the next day and I'm in my same little Liaison the Label sweatshirt. I feel like it's giving fall and I really like it. But I picked my brother up from the airport and then I didn't really do anything that was fall related or to this video, but I wanted to continue this. The only thing I did do that I want to include now is I got my nails done. I love getting my nails done and I wanted to do like something that really reminded me of fall. So I got Jellycat inspired fall nails. They're so stinking cute. If you can see, this is what they look like. This was my reference. Look at how cute that is. So I did vlog that. I'll insert that now. Also went shopping. I have another little fall haul and then we're going to go back to Target and some of the stores because I am looking for some more stuff. I ended up getting this really cute Jellycat. I think this is adorable and I cannot wait to put it on my bed. I really like this. It's like a little donut spiderweb Jellycat. Another Jellycat, I got a sourdough one. Not necessarily that this is fall, but I'm in my fall baking era, so I wanted to get this one as well to put on my bed. This little pouch, I think this is so cute. It's like a little makeup or pencil pouch. I think it's adorable. It has little pumpkins on it. It's from Olive Lynn. My plan for this video is to make boo baskets, which I'm going to show in a minute. So I got the pumpkin spice scented lip treatment and then the cinnamon bun lip treatment that I'm going to put in the cups that I'm making, which you will see soon. Dibs was so nice and sent me over some PR, which I'm so excited about. So I got new little makeup products that I'm so excited to try out. I cannot wait. I'm gonna do like a whole little video on that. And then Super Egg sent me over this really cute Super Egg NYC little pouch. I think this is adorable. And then I also got the Soft Strength Rich Resilience Cream, which I'm very excited to try at nighttime. I almost forgot, I went to Home Goods yesterday with my boyfriend. I got these little cute mugs, and my whole idea with this is I want to get like stuffing to put on the bottom of the mugs, and then I'm going to take these little lip treatments out and then do like a whole little boo basket cup for a pre-fall gift for my friends. So I have like all different cups that I think are so cute. So these are the two. These are two more. And then I got got the same one of this one because they didn't have another one. So I have all of those. And then I wanted to get like a little thing to hold like my either dishwasher soap or something in the bathroom. So I got this little jar. I think this is adorable. It could also be used for cookies, but I have a cookie jar already and I want to put something in this. So I'm not sure what yet. I might just put it on display in the bathroom, but I think it's really cute. Then I got some pajamas from Marshall's. This came as a set, but I got these like maroon fall pants. I think these are adorable. The glare from the window is making them look interesting, but they're very cute. I got a matching shirt that came with it. This like came as a set, and then it also came with this, which is really cute. And the material is so soft. And then the last thing I got are just some fall socks because I'm going to put a pair of fall socks in each one of the little cups. And then I also got this little jar because I want to put Halloween candy in this or fall candy in it. So I'm gonna go back to Target. I have to get some bread flour and some other stuff for my boo baskets. So let's go see what we can find. It is now the next day. I'm back in my little happy camper set, but I'm wearing sweatshirt and then I'm wearing my red Aritzia leggings that I just got and some Uggs. I ended up not going to Target yesterday, so today we are doing everything I said that we were going to do yesterday. So let's go into Target and get some stuff for our boo baskets. I also really hope that they have their fall cups out because I saw on TikTok that they should. So let's go see what they have. I'm probably going to be sweating, but it's okay.
Empty chair across the table, echoes in the room. Shadow stands on barren walls, once with the melodies of.
I just got home and we are going to arrange all of my little boo baskets. I feel like all this is in the way. So first I'm just going to line all of these up so we can kind of see what they're going to look like. I don't know if I have everything that I want yet, but this is going to be most of the stuff. I also have this little jar that I got, and then I have these Nerds gummy clusters that I got from Target. These are one of my favorite candies other than candy corn for Halloween, so I just figured we would put those in here together. Probably should have got another bag, but I feel like that's cute for like decor and obviously to have a sweet treat. First things first, I got this pumpkin patch shredded paper from Target. I'm just going to put a little in each little cup and then add more if I need to, but I feel like this is cute for like basket filler. Oh yeah, that looks adorable. I only got one, maybe I should have got two, but I'm going to try my best to make it work. Oh no, I think this is actually perfect. I think I want to start with these little tree hut fireside maple scrubs, and then I also got the espresso martini ones. I'm going to start with those because I feel like they're going to be harder to get into the cup, so I'm going to put those kind of like on the bottom. Okay, cute. So I got one of those for everyone. Then I got these two at Target the last time I was there. It's the pumpkin spice scented lip treatment and the cinnamon bun one, and I was thinking of taking them out because it has a little keychain on it and like having it be like outside of the mug, kind of like that maybe. Then I also have cinnamon one. The only issue was I couldn't find the rest of them, so two of the girls are going to get these, and then the rest are going to get these hand sanitizers, which also have the little keychain on it, so I thought it was still cute to do. I just have to figure out how I want everything to sit in the cup. I feel like this is really cute. And I'm going to take the socks. I don't really know how I want to do the socks though. Okay, maybe I should put the socks in first and have them like kind of like droop over. I don't know. Is that cute? Maybe like that? These are like cute little pumpkin ones, which I feel like that would look cute in this one. Kind of like have the pumpkin drooping over the side a little bit. I don't know how I'm supposed to make it look cute. Does that look cute? I can't tell. Okay, wait. This is kind of looking cute. And then I do have to get two more of these, but I got these little orange candies as well that I'm going to put in. I think I'm gonna do it like this. I think this is actually coming together really cute. I just have to go to the store and get two more of the candies. But look at how cute those look. I think these are so adorable, and then I'm just going to send two of them to New Jersey for my friends in Jersey and then give the rest to my friends in Florida. Probably in like a week or two so I can add a little bit more to the cup. But look at how stinking cute this little bear mug cup is for a boo basket. I think that's adorable.